Hello and welcome to another episode of the Williams Learning Lab. In this episode, we're going to balance a chemical equation, and the type we have here is an oxidation equation. Sometimes these can be a little bit challenging. This is an easy one though. So what we're going to do is we want to make sure that all of the atoms on both sides of the equation, each type has the same number on each side. So what I like to do is I'll list each type of atom, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen here, on both sides of the arrow. And then I draw a line, I just start counting them, okay? So on the reactant side, we have 1 carbon, we have 4 hydrogens, and we have 2 oxygens. On the product side, we have 1 carbon, we have 2 hydrogens, and we have a total of 3 oxygens. We have 2 from the CO2, and we have 1 from the H₂O. So that gives a total of 3. Okay, and so now what we want to do is look to see what's unbalanced. We usually do the nonmetals first, but our carbons are already balanced. And then our hydrogens are out of balance, and our oxygens are out of balance. So typically we want to try to balance the hydrogens before we do oxygens, because oxygens are sometimes just a little bit more complicated. And so if we have 4 over here and 2 over here, what number times 2 gives us 4? Well, that's 2, so we'll put a coefficient of 2 right here. Now let's see what are the consequences of that change. We still have 1 carbon, we have 2 oxygens here, and then we'll have a total of 2 here. So we'll have 4 oxygens. Now we have 2 times 2 hydrogens, and that gives us 4. Okay, and now our oxygens are out of balance. So what number can we multiply times 2 to get the 4 that we want? Well, 2 times 2 gives us 4. So I'll put a coefficient of 2 here, and let's see what the consequences are. We still have 1 carbon. We still have a total of 4 hydrogens. And now we have 2 times 2 oxygens for a total of 4. And now let's double check. We have 1 carbon on both sides, 4 hydrogens on both sides, and 4 oxygens on both sides. So now we have a balanced equation. If you found this useful, would you consider commenting, or subscribing? And if you have any questions, won't you leave them in the comment section down below. Until next time, have a nice day.